Fixed end beams, example number 2. Beam subjected to multiple concentrated loads. Dalawang solutions tayo para sa problem na to. Solution 1 is gamitan natin ng Titanic method. So mag-assume muna tayo ng elastic curve. Then consider the direction A to D. So the direction is right. I-solve na muna natin yung parameter 6AB over L. So ang load from A to D ay dalawang concentrated loads. So for concentrated load, applicable yung formula na PB over L times L square minus B square. And since dalawa yung concentrated loads, so i-apply natin yung formula una para sa 45 kN load, then plus apply again the formula para naman sa 60 kN load. Para sa 45 kN load, so ito yung A which is 4 at ito naman yung B which is 6. Then substitute the data. So P is 45, B is 6, over L is 10, then times L square minus B square, then plus. Para naman sa 60 kN load, so ito naman yung A which is 8 at ito yung B 2. Then substitute the data. So P is 60, B is 2, over L is 10, then times L square minus B square. So the parameter 6AB over L is equal to 2880. Then apply the formula for theta right. Theta is theta A, then equal to negative. The moment near is the moment at A, which is unknown. The length is the distance from A to D, so 10, over 3EI plus the moment far, which is the moment at D, which is unknown. Then length is 10, then over 6EI plus 6AB over L is 2880 over 6EI minus H over L. For H, tayo ay gagawa ng horizontal line from A to D at yung horizontal line from A ay tatama kay D so that H is 0. And since fixed support, theta A is 0. Then simplifying the equation, we obtain, tawagin natin siyang equation number 1. Next, consider the direction D to A. The direction is left. I-solve na muna natin yung parameter 6AA over L. So ang load from D to A ay 2 concentrated loads. So para sa concentrated load, applicable yung formula PA over L times L square minus A square. And since dalawa yung concentrated loads, so i-apply natin yung formula una para sa 45 kN load, then plus apply again the formula para naman sa 60 kN load. Then substitute the data. So para sa first term, the load P is 45 times A. Para sa 45 kN load, ito yung A which is 4. Then over L is 10 times L square minus A square. Then plus, para naman sa second term, P is 60, then A is 8, then over L is 10, then times 10 square minus 8 square. So the parameter 6A over L is equal to 3240. Then applicable is formula for theta left. Theta is theta D equal to the moment near is the moment at D, which is unknown. The length is 10 over 3EI, then plus the moment far is the moment at A, which is unknown. The length is 10 over 6EI plus 6A over L is 3,240 over 6EI minus H over L. For H, gawa tayo ng horizontal line from D to A, at yung horizontal line from D ay tatama kay A, so that H is 0. And since the support at D is fixed, then theta D is 0. Then simplifying the equation, we obtain, and tawagin natin itong equation number 2. So ito na yung dalawang equations na na-derive natin. So masosolve na natin yung dalawang unknowns, MA and MB. So applying knowledge algebra, MA is equal to negative 84 kilonewton meter and MD is equal to negative 120 kilonewton meter. Sa Titanic method, ang sign convention na ginagamit natin ay the beam-oriented sign convention. So sa beam-oriented sign convention, ang negative moment means downward. So ibig sabihin, yung moment at A is pababa and yung moment at D ay pababa rin. Solution number 2, we apply the formula for fixed end moment. Dahil ang loadings natin ay concentrated loads, applicable yung formulas for fixed end moment ng concentrated load. So sa previous video, na-derive natin yung formula for the fixed end moment at the left support. So that is negative PAB square over L square. Dahil ang loads natin ay dalawang concentrated loads, ang gagawin, so gagamitin natin itong formulang ito para sa 45 kilonewton load, then plus gamitin natin ulit this time para naman sa 60 kilonewton load. Substitute the data. So negative, so para sa 45 load, A is, ito yung A which is 4, and ito naman yung B which is 6. So A is 4, B is 6, and then square, then over L is 10, and then square, then plus, para naman sa 60 kilonewton load, A is 8, B is 2. So A is 8, then times B is 2, and then square, over L is 10, and then square. So the fixed end moment at A is equal to negative 84. Negative means ang direction ng moment is pababa. Para naman sa fixed end moment at the right support, MD, so applicable yung formula na negative PA square B over L square. So ang formula ay gagamitin natin para sa 45 kilonewton load, then plus gagamitin natin ulit siya para naman sa 60 kilonewton load. Substitute the data. So negative 45. So para sa 45 kilonewton load, A is 4, then square, and B is 6, then over L square, then plus negative 60 times, para sa 60 kilonewton load, A is 8, then square, and B is 2, then over L square. So the fixed end moment at D is equal to negative 120 kilonewton meter. So negative moment means downward. So ang direction ng moment at A is pababa, and at D ay pababa rin.